Congratulations to the ALRC on its first 40 years. This is Sue Tung, Deputy President in the mid-90s and Senior Law Reform Officer in the late 70s. I see law reform as like a wave. Good ideas in reports surface when the conditions are right, and the reform can be brought to shore, whether through legislation or otherwise. Naturally, you tend to see what you worked on as the most significant law reform. I worked on insurance law reform in the 70s. Later, I helped steer the Insurance Contracts Act through Parliament. Then, in 1997, the High Court referred to the report in its important CIC statutory interpretation decision. By any measure, that reform was a success. The equality work we did in the mid-90s is still significant to the current debate on domestic violence. But the most significant contribution of the ALRC has been the process of consultation initiated in the 70s that has continued to serve the ALRC and others so well. The issues papers, discussion papers and public hearings model is ideal, but even an abbreviated approach is good. By being open-minded and listening carefully, the ALRC led the way. Good law flows from good consultation, and the process is important. In the next decade, this will continue to be relevant as technological change and information overload affect interactions with government. A conscious focus on facts and evidence is needed in the face of spin, narratives and preconceptions. To ride the waves, the ship of state needs accurate charts, a good compass, and a wariness of the vividness of the transient moment. May the ALRC continue to provide these to the ship.